Hello, my fellow comic book collectors. This is going to be an unboxing video, but kind of an unusual one because I'm going to be recording it from my comic room. This is my basement comic room. Um, it's all fluorescent lights, so I can, display my comics all the time, regardless of the day or light. The room is completely blocked from actual light coming in, other than the fluorescent lights that I use, the LED lights that I use actually. So it protects the comics. It's in a climate controlled room as well, so it's a good place to store comics. Uh, Not the typical basement actually. So I have two um, comics that I have to unbox. I'm expecting some really cool Golden Age comic to come in, so I'm hoping that one of these is one of the Golden Age one. No guarantees, but we'll see what's inside. So I'm going to open these up. Let's open up the first one. So yeah, I hope that the sound quality is good. This is a brand new phone that I just got. My previous iPhone died, horrible, horrible death. So I got this new iPhone 12. Hopefully it records better than my previous phone. Sec here. So yeah, we'll see what's inside. Let's see. There's a little paper that's inside. Let's see. Okay, interesting. Okay, so I know what's inside now. It's not the one I was expecting, but it is a Silver Age comic, which is kind of nice. So I'm just slicing and dicing here. So, and there was a list that I found on the internet of the top 100 hottest comic book characters. And this was one of the ones that was listed. I forget the her name. I'm just trying to remember the name of the character. I feel silly not remembering, but it's Adventure Comics number 365, and it's her first appearance. I'm just trying to remember her name. Please, in the comments below, tell me, who is this character? Adventure Comics 365. I'll probably put it in the description that I remember the name. So it's Adventure Comics 365. It's the first appearance of this character. I'm just seeing if it mentions it on the cover. Escape from the Fatal Five. I think it's the first appearance of the Fatal Five as well. So, yeah, kind of interesting. Adventure Comics 365. Nice Silver Age comic from 1968. Okay, that's the first one. Now, hoping my Golden Age comic is in this second one. This one is a bit better wrapped. It's always challenging to open up some of these packages. Just like struggling here. It's all taped together. This one's in a Gemini mailer. Oops. It's really well taped. So yeah, there's a bunch of comics that I'm trying to get right now. I'm trying to get a bunch of comics from the Seduction of the Innocents trial, and I'm hoping this is one of those. But if it's not, we'll see what it is. It'll be a surprise for all of us. So what is it? Oh, it's actually a collection. Ah, wow. Okay, this arrived a lot quicker than I expected. This is another thing I was really interested in. There's this one artist that I think is really, really good. I've shown some books from him in the past, And this is more kind of these sexy kind of girl covers from Vampirella. I'm a big Vampirella fan. I even have like the original Vampirella statue. This is like, I'll show you up close. This is my original Vampirella statue. And so these comics are from an artist that I think does a really good job of, you know, portraying Vampirella, fairly sexy covers. And these are just sort of like 1 in 500, you know, edition size. I think they're 500 prints. So this is Vampirella. Okay, I'll zoom it in a bit so you can see. Okay, that's the first one. I'm not sure what number these are, but this is the second one. So these are kind of these sexy. These are all from the one where, you know, it's kind of like Dynamite, where everyone's dying. You know, it's like a zombie version of Vampirella. And next one, kind of sexy cover. Okay, this is from Vampirella number 17. And the last one is Vampirella Purgatory. So let's see if I can zoom in a bit. So yeah, some nice girl cover art. So not what I was expecting. I was hoping for some of the Seduction of the Innocents Golden Age comics that I had ordered, but hey, you get what you get. And I'm actually quite happy with these. I was surprised that these came so quickly. I just recently ordered them, so they came very quickly. I'm kind of happy to see them. They're very cool. I don't know how to display them in my room. I don't have very much space left, but I'll find some space in this room. And yeah, that's the video for today. I hope the sound is better. If the sound works out and the video quality works out, I will be doing more videos from my comic room. So give me the feedback. What do you think of this video? Do you like it from this like setting better than my previous setting, which is my office upstairs? Which do you prefer? Tell me in the comments below. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. I'm really trying to get to that 1,000 mark. I'm going to do something very special once I hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. So yeah, please subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.